Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Tesla price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the weekly chart here, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, an impulse toward the upside finishing wave 1 or a wave A. After both case scenario, we have of course a correction ABC toward the downside finishing wave B or wave 2, and of course continuation for higher prices in a wave 3 and probably wave 4 here finished or not. We're gonna see in your bullish scenario you are looking for a wave 5. In your bearish scenario you are looking for a wave C for a longer wave 4, which is a higher possibility since we are looking for some red here today, and also of course because of this formation of this ending diagonal, which is of course a wave 3 longer than your wave 1, which of course reduces the possibility we don't have an impulse. We have 3 waves up again, of course, which is the only possible way an ending diagonal. In case that we have your a wave 3 here, then therefore this is not an ending diagonal anymore. This is not a bullish scenario anymore. This is 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 5 waves down to the downside. So therefore, of course, the possibility here goes higher for the bearish than the bullish. And of course, we still looking for one more leg toward the downside as a ending diagonal. If that happened, of course, that will be very weird. I mean, sometimes it happens some deviation in Elliott wave, but very, very rare to happen. Wave 3 longer than your wave 1. So, of course, in this case, I would prefer to go much more in bearish, A, B, and a C toward the downside. Probable target 1.38, which is $70 for Tesla. Now, you tell me this is very, very low for Tesla. I would say, yes, that's true. But don't forget that in January 2023, Tesla was worth a $100. And I don't, of course, I won't be surprised, of course, if the Tesla move towards the downside, especially what I hear, of course, in the fundamentals for Tesla and also in the news, and that, of course, the new administration, the US administration, is against the electrical cars. And of course, yeah, supporting much more the diesel and the fuel cars. And that, of course, weird, of course, knowing that Tesla is an ally for the president, the US president, but hearing it, yeah, that doesn't sound good. And it sounds a little bit like it's already the deal has been already made for Tesla. Yeah, and looking at the chart here, I would say be careful, guys. Yeah, the deal between Elon Musk and the president as well around Tesla has been made. Yeah, it doesn't matter anymore if Tesla survive or not. So be careful from it. This is what I get from the news, guys, and this is my own opinion. Of course, this is my own analysis, and from what I hear from the Trump administration, and of course that Elon Musk is okay about the failure of electrical car to talk about it in this manner and this way. Of course, I mean it's his company at the end, and he's an ally for the U.S. president. So be careful from it. It might be okay for Elon Musk to break Tesla. I would say it, of course, just in case that yeah, you expect something else, guys. So be careful from it. Let's move towards the 4-hour chart here. As you can see, the 0.38 and the 0.5 fib level are a wave 4 in bullish scenario, of course, in case we are an ending at diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And we're looking for a wave 4 and a 5 toward the upside. Lower possibility that because, of course, your wave 1 longer than your wave 3 longer than your wave 1. In case we are in 1, 2, 1, 2, it's not possible. This is a zigzag. We cannot consider 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Even it's not possible. This possibly much more possible, of course, is a flat. And 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished, and we're moving impulsively toward the downside. After finishing a wave B here for an A, and then a B and a C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your target and confluence also for a wave 4 in case we are in a wave 4, 1.38, 1.618. Between the 0.5 fib level and 0.38 fib level, the confluence of those blue box is this area $70 and $50 for Tesla. So please trade safe, and Tesla might not be okay in the next weeks. Probably, guys. This is from what I hear fundamentally and from my analysis in Elliott wave, of course, technically. That's it for Tesla. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.